Hey, what's up? My name's Whitney Hansen. I'm the founder of WhitneyHansen.com and the Money Nerds podcast. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to set up your Vanguard brokerage account so you can start investing money and building that wealth. So let's go ahead and dive in. I'm going to do a quick screen share and we're going to cover everything you need to know step by step while I set up my own account. So let's do this. Okay, so first you're going to get to the main Vanguard homepage. You're probably going to see this, and then you're going to click on Personal Investors. From here, you're going to scroll down, and under the Get Started section, you're going to click Open an Account Online. First and foremost, this is a new account, so let's go ahead and open my account. And we want to do, for right now, let's just do an electronic bank transfer because this is assuming you don't have a 401k plan that you're rolling over and we aren't transferring any investments over from another firm. So if you're truly starting from the beginning, this is where you're going to begin. So we're going to go ahead and click Continue. And then we are going to say that we are new here. Okay, this tells you everything that you're going to need. We need the routing and account number at my bank, and we need our current employer's name and address. It's required by law, it says, so that's what we're going to have. Now, when we're doing this, we have to make a decision. Which type of account do we use? Is it going to be an IRA, a general savings account, a 529, or a small business one? So let's go ahead and set up just a general IRA for right now. Hey, sorry to interrupt. I have to explain. If you don't know what an IRA is and you're like, what the crap, Whitney, take me back further, definitely check out this video in the comments box below or click right here and you will get to learn all about IRAs and what specifically that means for your life. Okay, now back to the brokerage account. Okay, so it literally walks you through exactly what you need. So this is going to be an IRA. This is going to be a Roth IRA. If you're younger, if you are trying to save money on taxes, you might choose the traditional, but let's go ahead and just do a Roth. Okay, and then we're going to fill out all of this information. So for my privacy, I'm going to go ahead and quickly go through this, and then I'm going to close off my screen so that you don't see all of my info. Okay, next it's going to ask for your address and your phone number, so go ahead and enter that for yourself, but again, I'm going to push pause. Next, you're going to go ahead and set up your username and your password. Okay, you're going to set up your security questions. Again, this is personal, so I'm going to block out what I have. Okay, once you get to this point, you're ready to enter in your routing number. If you don't have this, you can contact your bank and they will help you get it all set up. So same thing, go ahead and enter yours. I'm going to leave mine blank. Okay, enter if it's a checking account or what type of account it is. Then you're going to select how you're going to be funding your initial investment. Again, mine is blank, so you're not going to see my account number, but that's basically how you would do it. And let's go ahead and get started with just something really, really simple. I'm going to put in $50 for the retirement contribution for 2020. If you have the ability to contribute to a previous year, that's always a good idea. You can do a maximum of $6,000. Okay, you're going to put in your employment status. I'm self-employed, so that's what I'm going to be selecting. Now, it's important when you do this, you make sure you're very honest on this stuff because it really does make a big difference and it does impact you legally. So make sure you check any of these that do apply. You're going to then estimate your annual income and your net worth. This just matters because it helps you with information on like what specifically you should be investing in. Sometimes they do a lot of suggestions to help you no matter where you're at. So go ahead and enter in your net income and your liquid net worth. Next, you're going to select what the sources of money are going into. So basically for me, for this example, if you're brand new, it's probably just going to be your salary. So that's most likely what it's all going into. Okay, and then you're going to set a goal for yourself. This is super important. Are you doing capital preservation, which is when you're doing an initial investment and you're actually just trying to mitigate it from decreasing too much? Income, are you just trying to get some income growth? Are you trying to get some actual growth or speculation? I highly, highly recommend sticking with either income or growth. And personally, I kind of like both of these. So once you have this all set up, then it's going to tell you exactly what your application will be. Okay, it's going to ask you to review and sign the new account. So you're going to sign. and then it's going to move your money. It really is that simple. So it's going to go ahead and move all of my money directly into my account. And that's it. The money's going to be in my account in about 3 business days, and I will be able to choose my investments at that point. So let's go back and we will start to choose our investments, and we're going to fast forward about 3 days. So a few days later, you're going to get a transaction that asks you, or it sends a transaction, microtransactions to your bank account. Basically, it's like 20 cents, 15 cents. It's 2 different very, very small amounts that are charged to your account that you have to verify. I've already done this, so my verification process is done. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and more than anything, I hope it was helpful. Now go take action, set up your brokerage account, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.